To scan a QR code from a photo on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then swipe down the quick settings button area. Find scan QR code button and then tap it. Tap gallery icon at the bottom right. Select the photo that has the QR code you want to scan. If needed, you can adjust the selected area for a better and accurate scanning. Tap the button to let your phone detect the QR code automatically and display the relevant link or information. Given to the function, scanning a QR code from a photo is a quick way to access links without needing to rescan a printed version, whether it's contacts, website URL, or else. This feature makes it effortless to retrieve QR-based information. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.